Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will have a look at assignment operators. So what are assignment operators? Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. These are the list of assignment operators that are available in Java. So simple assignment operator is denoted by this equal to symbol. Addition assignment operator is denoted by plus equal to symbol. Subtraction assignment operator denoted by minus equal to. Multiplication assignment operator denoted by this multiplication symbol and then equal to. Division assignment operator division equal to. Modulus assignment operator modulus symbol and equal to. So how it works we will be seeing in IntelliJ IDEA. So let's open our IntelliJ IDEA and I will show you there how to use these operators. So I have opened my IntelliJ IDEA. I will go ahead and create a new class. Class name will be assignment operator. I have created the class. I will create the main method. Inside main method, suppose I have a byte type variable b and I want to assign literal phi to it. So I will type phi. So here what I am doing, here I have used equal to assignment operator, which is also known as simple assignment operator, as we saw in our slide, simple assignment operator. What this simple assignment operator will do, it will pick the value from the right side and it will store it inside the variable which is on the left side. So the value of phi will be, if I print the value of b, the value of v will come out to be, sorry, I have to run like this. The value of b is 5. So whatever is present on the right side of this assignment operator, it will take that value and it will keep it inside the left side variable. Suppose I have another variable of int type I and I want to assign the value of b to this I variable. So what I will do, simply I will use equal to operator and I will type b. So whatever is present inside b will be stored inside I. So this is the use of assignment operator. The same assignment operator we had been using in all our previous videos. So it is the same thing. It will take the value from the right side and it will keep it inside the variable present on the left side. I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to the next operator, that is addition assignment operator. So before moving, I will just write down some comments. So this is simple assignment operator. I will comment down this code. Now let's see another example for addition assignment operator. Now suppose I have a variable I of integer type having value as 10. Now I want to add phi to this variable I. So how I can add phi? I equal to I plus phi. Here I'm simply adding phi to this variable I. Now if I print the value of I will get the output as 5. Sorry, I will get the output as 15. Now, if what is assignment, addition assignment operator? Instead of writing like this, I can also write like I plus equal to 5. It is doing the same thing. It is taking this variable I and adding phi to the same variable. So this operator is equivalent to I equal to I plus phi. I equal to I plus 5. So if I comment this and if I run the code again, I will get the same output. Yeah, the value of I is 15. So it is a shortcut way of writing I equal to I plus phi. I hope it is clear. Similarly, now we can have a look at subtraction assignment operator. It does the same thing, but for subtraction. I will comment this piece of code. Suppose I have a variable int I having value as 50. I want to subtract 25 from this variable I. So how I can do? I minus equal to 25. So I will just try to print this. I will copy the same code and I will try to print it. So here I minus equal to 25 is equivalent to I equal to I minus 25. It is the same thing, but I'm using subtraction assignment operator to write it. So if I run this code, I will get value as 25. So I hope it is clear. Similarly, you can use other operators as well, other assignment operators. So multiplication assignment operator will do the same thing. Let's have a look at another example for multiplication assignment operator. Suppose I have a variable int I having value as 7 and I will comment this because it's giving me error. We cannot have multiple variables with same name. So it was giving me error. So I commented this piece of code. Suppose I want to multiply I with 5. So how I can write I multiplication equal to 5. So this is equivalent to I equal to I multiplied by 5. This is just a shortcut way to write the same thing. Now if I print the value of I and if I run it, I should get 35. Sorry, I will comment this right. We have not commented this. So I have multiplied it 2 times. Now if I run it, I will get 35. Now let's have a look at next assignment operator, that is division assignment operator. So I will just comment division assignment operator. Here suppose I have a value I equal to 100 and I want to divide, I have to comment this. So I want to divide this 100 by 5. How I can write I divide equal to 5. What it will do, it will take I equal to I divided by 5. So same thing it is doing. If I print the value of I will get output as 20. I hope it is making sense. Now we will see the last assignment operator, that is modulus assignment operator. So I will write as modulus assignment operator. So modulus assignment operator is used to get the remainder value. Suppose I have a variable I having value as 7. First I will comment this piece of code and I want to do modulus 2. So I modulus equal to 2. So it is equivalent to I equal to I mod 2. So if I multiply 2 3s are 6, the remainder should be 1. So I should get output as 1. If I print, let's print and run. So the remainder I'm getting is 1. I hope it is clear how these assignment operators work. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can mention it in the comment section. Till then, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.